All right, today we are learning When Bad Does Good by Cornell. It's a previously unreleased track that was recorded before he passed away. There's a couple things we have to know before we get started. We're going to learn this song in standard tuning, but the guitar on the recording is tuned down a half of a step. But for simplicity's sake, today we're going to learn it in standard tuning. So once you learn it here with me, you'll have to tune down a half a step to be able to play it with the recording. So yeah, there's a couple of bar chords that happen, but I'll walk you through them step by step. Kind of an interesting strumming pattern as well. Let's jump into this thing. Okay, let's talk about the song form here. It's a little funky, but that's Chris Cornell's style. So the intro is played on an organ, but we're going to play it with the same strumming pattern that we're going to learn for the rest of the song as well. The intro acts as a verse. Then we have an actual verse, a chorus, a bridge, a verse, chorus, interlude, guitar solo, which is the same as the bridge chords, a verse, and a chorus. And that's the end of it. All right, let's talk about the chords we need for this song. We've got a G major, open, then a B minor bar chord. We're going to put our third finger on the 4th fret, 4th string, third finger, 4th fret, 3rd string, middle finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and your index is going to bar from the 2nd fret, 5th string all the way down. Just keep going on those bar chords. I know you guys can get them. All right, they're a little bit tough, but it can happen. So then we've got chords you already know. D, E, all right, those are in there. And then we've got, during the chorus, we've got the F sharp minor bar chord, which is tricky too. It's a little harder than the B minor because you got to bar all 6. You're going to put your 3rd finger, 4th fret, 5th string, pinky, 4th fret, 4th string, and you're going to bar your index from the 2nd fret, 6th string all the way down. Strum all 6. Your middle finger for the F sharp major, which comes directly after the F sharp minor, goes on the 3rd fret, 3rd string. So you get this kind of very Soundgarden kind of vibe with this F sharp minor to F sharp major, all right, which sends us off into the bridge, which the chords are, there's an A, and after that you know all the chords for the song. So those chords will get you there. Now let's talk about the strumming pattern and the chords in the intro. We've got a G, it's gonna happen twice, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, B minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, G, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, B minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, into D, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, to E, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, to G, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, to D, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, to E, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. That's your intro verse, all right? Then our first official verse, so that pattern isn't too bad. It's down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. If you get really good at it, you can get this down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up in there too. But for everyone out there, I would just suggest going down, 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 up, down, down on each of the chord shapes, all right? So the first official verse, let's walk through those chords. We've got G, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, to B minor, down, minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, to D, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 to E. Then we've got the chorus, and we're gonna go one pattern on each of these chords. G to D. G, D, G, F sharp minor, sharp major. All right, and then you go into the bridge, okay? That's A, the same pattern. To B minor. D. E. The G starts the second verse, which will be just like the first official verse, okay? And then you've got another, that will be another verse, then the chorus, then the interlude guitar solo, which I might do a lesson on at some other point. This is just for acoustic, all right? Which is the interlude is the exact same chords as the bridge chords, and then another verse and another chorus, and that is the end of the song. You just have to remember that going from G to F sharp minor is kind of tricky, to F sharp major. All right, and so for a little bonus, if you wanted a harder strumming pattern than that, you could go all I'm doing there is adding, same pattern, just adding an extra down up at the end, which is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Makes it a little harder to change, but it also sounds a little fuller that way, but the first pattern will work perfectly. All right, that is everything you need to learn Chris Cornell's song, When Bad Does Good. I hope you guys learned something here today. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support. Drop a song suggestion in the comments below, and we will see you next time.